Hi everyone, I hope you are having a great week so far. As for me, I'm currently getting started on a new project and I can't wait to go full steam ahead on it. But the Chinese Lunar New Year holiday is just around the corner, and more importantly, I am long overdue for a haircut and recoloring. So I've decided to take off a little bit earlier this afternoon to stop by one of my favorite salons here in Hong Kong. I got off my ride a few blocks earlier on purpose since I wanted to show you around for a bit. But this footage came out shakier than I thought, especially since I was trying to pack light and didn't bring my camera stabilizer. So I'm going to throw in some slightly older footage for now. We are currently in a metropolitan town that's literally named Central. It is the financial district of Hong Kong with a lot of world-famous skyscrapers. I specifically made myself a mental note to stop by Crawford House today because this place is kind of special to me. It is where my company's first Hong Kong office was at shortly after I relocated here from central London in the UK. The Crawford House address was just a virtual office for correspondence. I would have to pay every time I needed to use their physical space for meetings and stuff. Back then, I just hired an agency to take care of everything for me as smoothly and as quickly as possible. The package I chose included corporation formation, business registration, and the virtual office I was just talking about. Overall, I would say that opening a business in Hong Kong has been a straightforward and hassle-free experience. Not too long after that, we did move into our first dedicated office here. Now let's go back to our city crawl. Heading just a few blocks toward the northwest direction brings us to another town called Sheung Wan, where I'm getting my haircut today. Sheung Wan is an older area that's going through massive gentrifications in recent decades. But the digital nomad in me is quite loving what the town is turning into, with lots of independent shops, co-working studios, and coffee houses. As much as I love the indie culture here, I do hope people don't get priced out of the area where they've been living in their whole life. I am especially happy to see that many of the shops I like are doing okay during the pandemic. Including hair salons. My haircut appointment today is at Bellini Hair Salon with Chloe. Making haircut appointments in Hong Kong is also really easy. In fact, there are so many more suitable salon options for me to choose from. And by suitable, I mean the ones that can handle my tricky hair type. I basically have a full head of mixed hair, ranging from straight to wavy to curly, all from my one scalp. Back in San Francisco, I would almost always get my haircuts in Japantown, since the hairdressers there knew what to do with my tricky hair. And then in London, I pretty much also just like to stick with Japanese-owned hair salons for the same reason. Here at Bellini today, I'm not going to do anything too out of my ordinary either. Just getting a little color touch-up with my usual tone before the haircut. Chloe was nice enough to let me use her VIP room for this vlog. At one point, they actually run out of hair dye and have to refill the bowl, because like I said earlier, I happen to have a lot of hair. Which means blow drying it takes forever too. For the haircut itself, I am sitting in an area with better lighting and a better showcase of the shop's decor in my opinion. I came in wanting just my regular trim, so again, nothing too crazy here. And just like that, a soothing afternoon later, with scalp massages and everything, I am once again leaving a happy customer. So as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we are entering the Lunar New Year of the Ox, and I made a little lucky charm to celebrate the occasion. I am currently running a giveaway on Instagram where I'll be mailing out handwritten postcards to the winners. Feel free to check out my Instagram account for the details. In the meantime, Happy New Year of the Ox everyone. Until next time.